If you want to create a working dollar account right here in Nigeria, I believe this video is for you. Now, before I go through this video, I'm going to tell you guys a little part of my story, what I went through while I opened a dollar account right here in Nigeria. So guys, a few months ago, I decided to create a domiciliary account for myself, which is called a dollar account. So I went to some of the banks around me to create a dollar account for myself. But the problem there is that it was really stressful because most of the banks were asking me to bring two people that already have accounts in their banks before I can be able to create a working dollar account right here in Nigeria. So it was really stressful because I don't have two people that have dollar accounts in those specific banks. After my struggling days after days after days, at the end of it, I finally created a successful dollar account right here in Nigeria. But the issue there is that I don't want you to pass through the same stress that I went through when I opened my own account. That's why today in this video, I want to teach you guys how you can be able to create a working dollar account right here in Nigeria with your phone at the comfort of your home. Okay guys, if today is your first time seeing me, you're welcome to my channel. This is Solely Pictures TV and my name is Solomon Okon. You're on my YouTube channel. I do share updates on how to make money online right here in Nigeria. What I do is that if I use platforms and they work for me, I come here and share them with you guys to easy your life and to also help you to make money online. So if you're interested in getting updates from me, just consider like this video right now, share the video, drop a very nice comment. I really like to know where you're watching from, so comment where you're watching from in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the bell notification so that when next I publish beautiful videos just like this one 4 times every single week, you're going to be the first person to watch the videos. One thing I should let you know is that this dollar account I want to help you create can do so many things. For example, with this account you can send and receive your USD. With this account, you can buy and sell your dollars. With this particular account, you can convert your Naira to dollars and you can convert your dollars to Naira. And with this particular account, you can send and receive your cryptocurrency, for example, USDT, guys. So there are a lot of things in which you can do with this particular platform, guys, with this particular dollar account. So if these are the kind of things you would like to do with your dollar account, that means you should watch this video to the end. Just calm down, sit down, relax, and watch this particular video to the end because I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step how you can go through this particular account. This is a dollar account, a working dollar account right here in Nigeria without Binance and without PayPal, guys. So let's go to my screen right now. You can see this is my dashboard, and as you can see, I have 15 Naira here in my wallet. You can see the wallet balance is 15 Naira. And if I scroll down right here, you're going to see that I've been performing a lot of transactions from this particular platform. I've been performing a whole lot of transactions from this particular platform, guys. That is it. I've been using this app for a very long time now. So I've been performing a lot of transactions from this particular platform, and today I want to teach you guys how you can create a working dollar account through this particular platform. But with this platform here, you can do a lot of things, guys. And remember, if you want to register, check the link in the description of this video for you to register, or you check the comment section, you see the link there. From there you can register. Now with this platform, as I said earlier, you can do a lot of things. Here you can buy airtime, you can buy data, you can pay for your bills. And with this particular platform right here, you can invite your friends and make extra cash for yourself. Once they register with your link, you're going to get a commission if they do any transaction. What I want to show you today is how you can create a dollar account. Now the first thing for you to do is for you to click on the link. As I said earlier, click on the link and register. Now once you register, verify your account, verify your identity, verify your address with your ID card. After, when you're done verifying your account, the next thing is for you to come here and top up, guys. Now if you want to top up, just come here and click on add cash. So what I'm going to do right now is for me to click on add cash, copy my account details, go and top up, guys. I need to top up because this video is a detailed video. I want to walk you guys step by step how you can do this, so please pay attention. So I need to deposit to my wallet. So guys, as you can see, my wallet is 15 Naira right now. I need to deposit, so let me go and deposit and come back and let's continue. Before I go further, if you're getting any value from this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, drop a very nice comment, and most importantly, subscription is free. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the bell notification for more videos like this coming your way 4 times every single week. Hit the bell right now. I just recharged my account. My wallet balance has changed. This is 3,015 Naira. So right now, what I'm going to do right now is for me to convert this money to dollar, guys. What I need to do right now, let me just come here and click on convert, guys. So if I click on convert right here, oh, they are going to open this particular page for me. And in this page, I'm just going to come here and type in 3,000 Naira. So you can see that 3,000 Naira is not even up to $3, guys. So it's $2.81. Now, one thing about this app is that they convert their dollar based on the black market rate, not with the normal bank rate, guys. That is the only disadvantage that this particular platform has. All their dollar, they convert it with the black market rate. So I just need to click on confirm. Right now, I'll be the one losing money if I continue to make this transaction. I'll be the one losing a lot of money, because if I convert this naira right now to dollar and I try to convert the dollar back to naira, I'll be losing a lot of money, guys. So if you want to make profit with this method, you just wait when the price of dollar comes down around 900 naira per dollar. You can convert your money from naira to dollar and leave it there. So when the price of dollar goes up again, like around 1000 naira to $1, then you can sell your dollar. You can make up to 100 naira profit, or let me say 90 naira profit or 80 naira profit, based on how you sell it, guys. And if you do it like this, you can also make a lot of money. It's called dollar arbitrage. So you can use this process and make money for yourself. You can just buy dollar from this platform when the price of dollar is low, and you can sell it when the price of dollar is high, and you can still make profit for yourself. So it's called dollar arbitrage. But right now, I don't want to buy and sell. You can see I have successfully converted 3000 naira to $2.82, guys. So all what I need to do is for me to go back. As you can see that there's no money right now in my Naira wallet. So if I want to convert it, I need to go and I need to click on this particular button. So all what you have to do, just click on this button right here. They are going to open another page where you can select your account. So let me just click on this button right here. Now if I click on this, I need to come here and select dollars. You can see that they are going to switch my account from a Naira account to a dollar account. It's very simple. Just switch my account from a Naira wallet to a dollar wallet. Right now, I can do anything I want to do with this wallet. Right now, I can send and receive cash with this particular wallet. So just look at what I want to do. If I want to top up right now, I need to click on add cash. If I click on add cash, you can see that I can receive USDT. You can see they say digital dollar, and I can receive real dollars from abroad, guys, with this particular method. How does that work? All what I need to do right now is for me to come down here and click on digital dollar, and right here, and I need to click on USDT tilde. This is where I'm reading from this, and if you click on it, you just click on it and select the network, the crypto network you want to receive the dollar from. So all what you have to do, just come here and select the network. This is USDT TRC20, this is TRC20, and this is Polygon, this is Ethereum. So if anytime you register on a platform and they say you should recharge USDT TRC20, all what you have to do is for you to come down here, recharge your wallet in Naira, convert your Naira into dollar. Once you convert your Naira into dollar, from there you can come down here, click on digital dollar. Once you do that, from here you can be able to send out USDT to that platform. And if you want to receive USDT from any platform and you don't know how to use Binance, all what you have to do, just come down here, create your wallet with this platform. Once you create your wallet, come down here, click on USDT, click on TRC20. Once you click on that, they are going to give you a wallet address where you can copy this wallet address, send it to anybody, and they are going to send you USDT TRC20 to your wallet, guys, and you're going to receive your money directly in your wallet, guys. It's totally simple. That's all what you have to do. Or you can scan it, or you can scan this QR code. So let's go back and let me show you what else you need to do. So right now, this is for you to receive USDT. And if you want to create a real domiciliary account right here in Nigeria, it's totally simple. All what you have to do, just click on this particular place here, click on account details. So if you click on this account details, you're going to see that they are going to open an option for you where you can create a real dollar account with cheaper cash, guys. This app is called Cheaper Cash. So with this particular app here, you can create a real dollar account right here in Nigeria, and you can just read all of this. Once you read this, just click on create USD account for just 5,000 naira. So if you want to create a dollar account with this particular platform, you have to pay just 5,000 naira for it to do that. Whereas if you go to the bank, they are going to ask you for a whole lot of things, guys. But here you just need to pay a one-time payment of 5,000 naira, and they're going to help you to create a dollar account for you. Now if I go ahead and click on create, if I click on create, they're going to open this page for me. You can see that all my details have already been verified. So these people will not ask me to go and bring two people that have a dollar account for me to be able to create an account with them. All my details here has already been verified. My phone number, my email address, my address, and my identity verification. Everything here is already done. So all what I need to do is for me to scroll down, read their terms and condition, and just click on create. If I click on create right now, I'm going to create a real domiciliary account for myself right now that I can use to receive foreign currencies, guys. It's totally simple, but I don't need to create an account because I already have a domiciliary account, guys. So all what I need to do is for me to go back. So this is how you create a real dollar account for yourself. It's totally simple. Now let's go back, guys. Let's go back and let me show you what else you can do with this particular platform. So right here, if you click on these three lines right here, guys, you're going to see that you have an option to cash out. You have an option to get your statement. If you click on cash out right here, it simply means you want to withdraw your dollar, guys. You can see here they say where will you like to cash out to, and you can see a USD domiciliary account, NGN bank account. So you can withdraw your money here to your dollar account if you already have an external dollar account, and you can also withdraw your money here to your normal Naira bank account if you want to send your money to your Naira bank account. It's totally simple. So if you already have a domiciliary account, just put in the amount here. Right now I have a domiciliary account, so I can just put in 2.8 USD right here and send the money to my real domiciliary account. It's totally simple, guys. Now let's go back, guys. Now if you want to send money, just click on send right here. If you click on send, this is you sending money to another person. Right here you can send digital dollar, which is your cryptocurrency, and you can send money internationally, guys. So it's very simple, guys. So if you want to send digital dollar, just click on send digital dollar, and from here you can send USDT, TRC20, or any of the other crypto networks. So anytime you see me post a make money online platform that requires you to recharge USDT, so there is no excuse. All what you have to do, come to this platform. Once you come to this platform, top up your wallet in Naira, convert your money from Naira to dollar, and come down here and make your transactions. It's totally simple, guys. If you're getting any value from this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, drop a very nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates like this coming your way, guys. Now let's go back. Let me show you the next thing you can do. So right now, as you can see right here, I told you guys before, you can buy airtime. You can do a lot of things with this particular platform. So if you have somebody that already have a cheaper cash account and you want to receive money from the person, you can just click on request and ask the person to send money to you. This platform gives you an opportunity to trade in the US stock market. So you can come here and buy stocks, guys. You can buy stocks from different company with cheaper cash. Cheaper cash will help you to buy stock from Microsoft, from HP, from, you can see we have Tesla right here. There are a lot of different companies here. You can come here and buy their stocks, guys. So you can buy their stocks and earn more money for yourself. You can see Visa stocks right here, and there are a whole lot of different stocks. So with this platform, you can also come here and buy stocks, and they also give you a dollar card like what you're seeing. This is my own dollar card. You can collect a dollar card from them, and I've been using this to do a lot of transactions. You can see them here, and I have 55 cents left here in my dollar card, and they also give you a Naira card. You can also collect a Naira card from them, and this is my Naira Visa card, so you can see them for yourself. So this cheaper cash is the platform I've been using to do a lot of my transactions, and it's really smooth, guys. It's totally smooth, guys. And but the only thing, remember I told you guys that the only problem I have with them is that their dollar, they are selling it to you at the black market rate. You also buy dollar from them at the black market rate. So that is the only disadvantage they have. Apart from that, everything on their app is working totally fine and smoothly. So all what you have to do, click on the link in the comment section or in the description of this video, register an account, verify your account, and start enjoying the platform, and thank me later. If you want to thank me, just drop a comment in the comment section below. Just say thank you for this particular video. That's all for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching to this moment. I'm so happy that this video was really helpful. If it was really helpful to you, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like this video right now, share the video, drop a very nice comment right now. I really want to know where you're watching from, so drop a comment below, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button right now. It's totally free. Turn on the bell notification for more free updates like this coming your way 4 times every single week. I give updates for free, so the only thing you can do for me, please just subscribe to my channel right now for more updates like this coming your way. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.